question from a client is, how do you remove the pin? There's no pin installed here. I'll just put one in. How do you remove the pin once you've set the tension? And the answer is, you don't remove the pin once you set the tension. So setting the tension on this Hager 1250 spring hinge, this is just a 3.5 inch spring hinge. Okay, we've got a typical Hager spring hinge. This happens to be 3.5 by 3.5. What we have is a tension pin, and then we have what Hager uses as a tension rod, which is just an Allen key. So you hang the door, normally, you just hang the door. With the door closed, you would insert this Allen key into the, what would be the top of the hinge, but doesn't have to be the top of the hinge. There's no area to insert that Allen key here. Let's just call that where the bottom of the door would be. Insert that Allen key into the end that you can, and if this is pointed towards the top of the door, you'll turn it clockwise. Once you turn it clockwise, you'll reveal new additional holes. There's a hole. Won't be able to fit it in there. There you can. There you can. If I go even further, there's another hole. Okay, you get the concept. Once you turn that clockwise, you're setting the tension on the spring inside of the barrel. You then insert the tension pin into the hinge itself. Sorry, just going to do it in front of me and leave it hang out. There we go. Now there'd be no way for me to open that hinge because of the tension that's set on there. But the point is once you get the tension set, push that all the way in, remove the tension rod, and you don't remove the pin. It has to stay there. It's what keeps tension on the stored tension on the spring. And as you open the door, the two leaves leaving each other increases the tension on that spring, just like you're wringing out a towel. It increases that tension so that when you let the door go, that extra tension is then released back down to its standard position, or state, I suppose. So if you have any questions on setting the tension or anything about Hager spring hinges, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you. Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.